How to make an easy Cajun jumbo shrimp with homemade sweet and spicy Mumbo chili sauce my way. You already know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Let's go. Check the shrimp for any discoloration, defects, or a bad smell. Squeeze and twist the tail end of the shrimp. Remove the shell casing from the first side. Turn the shrimp over. Remove the shell casing and tail, and then discard it. Check the back of the shrimp for a black vein, which is also the poop of the shrimp, and discard it. Using a colander, rinse the shrimp several times in cool or cold water. Drain the shrimp and place the shrimp into a bowl or platter. Place the shrimp into a bowl or platter. Add the olive oil. The smoked paprika, the Old Bay seasoning, the Cajun spicy shrimp seasoning, mix all of the seasonings well into the shrimp until they are fully coated. Place the shrimp into the refrigerator until needed. Using a skillet on medium-high heat, add the olive oil. The minced garlic. Cook or saute for 1 minute. Add the shrimp to the skillet. Stir the shrimp and minced garlic until they are well combined. You know what time it is. Add a little Old Bay seasoning, the spicy Cajun shrimp seasoning, the smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of butter. Stir the seasonings and butter until it is well blended and the butter has melted. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon over the shrimp and stir. Turn the heat off. The total cooking time for jumbo shrimp is between 7 and 9 minutes. Please do not overcook your shrimp or they will become rubbery. The Cajun jumbo shrimp are done. Add the homemade sweet and spicy Mumbo chili sauce my way to the top of the jumbo shrimp and rice. The Mumbo sauce can be served at room temperature or reheated on the stove or in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. And here you have it. The spicy Cajun jumbo shrimp, cooked in butter and olive oil, smoked paprika, Old Bay seasoning, and minced garlic, covered with the homemade sweet and spicy Mumbo chili sauce my way. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The music bumping this video is Babylon by music producer Kevin Macleod, available at the free YouTube audio library. You know what time it is. Subscribe, share, and thumbs up this video and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.